Okay, big round of applause for Amit and Matthew. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah.
Well, I know this says flatulent lay, but I want you to all learn this word. Flatulente, yeah? After 3 then. 1, 2, 3.
Flatulente.
Yeah, I heard Luke and no one else. So, just a bit louder, guys, a bit more enthusiastic. When I do this, I want you to say flatulente.
Wait, whoa. I'm really sorry to do this to you. While you make it, no.
This,
there's a performance going on in there, so we actually can't be that loud as you're about to make. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Flatulente.
Good. Okay.
It's going to be a bit more of a downbeat one.
Sorry.
Okay.
Flatulente.
I remember that day.
Flatulente.
Britannia Hotel with free tickets from my mum for my birthday.
Flatulente.
I was watching TV in May.
Flatulente.
Excuse to transverse the unexplored udders of society.
Flatulente.
I was playing with some dynamite and couldn't help but say...
Flatulente.
The murky Victoriana cobbled smoky streets of poverty.
Flatulente.
I wrote it down, took it to school the next day.
Flatulente.
The Brazilian favela tourist appeal destination that day.
Flatulente.
I told the teacher that this word should be the context of the next essay.
Only
Flatulente.
this was in Coventry.
Flatulente.
Now I told the teacher to the word or the word to the teacher, she's now my essay.
Flatulente.
Overlooking a motorway with service which for £100 lacked plenty.
Flatulente.
The word is now in Collins' dictionary.
Flatulente.
Expected clean shit, unstained coffee, but that seemed to shock them immensely.
Flatulente.
FLA to you, lente.
Flatulente. Woo woo.